So peeps, another morning after the Therapy show. I'm a little bit tired. Just wanted to show you another little gadget. I can't help myself these days. I bought a PIONEER CDJ1000. Got this on the second-hand market. Got a really good deal from Bot DJ. And I originally bought the CDJ850, and it wasn't quite the same as the one in the clubs. Now, you're going to say, well, if you've got a DDJ1000, why would you want to buy one of these? Now, the thing is, I've kind of got to the point now where I'm a little bit fed up with wiring up so much stuff at clubs now, and I'm trying to get the most easiest way for me to turn up with either vinyl when I've got vinyl, or because back in the day, you turn up your record box, you just put it on and you just play. And now I'm just trying to get it so I can just turn up with my USB stick and put that into the CDJ, so I can just able to just do my set, and then I can concentrate on bringing stuff like camera gear and stuff like that to the gig, because I want to bring my GoPro, I want to bring a tripod, I want to be able to set up, I want to be able to record. And the thing is as well, coming out of record box, sometimes you put your sometimes you put your CD disc into the CDJs in the clubs, and the problem is that the CDJ doesn't read the disc, or the playlist doesn't pick up, or songs are missing, and I've had loads of drama. So I'm just trying to get it really simple. So I figured the best thing to do, being a DJ, is invest in one of these things here, so that way I can set up all my playlists and also get a little bit more of a feel of these, because being a vinyl DJ to heart, I'm not totally used to using these you know, without sync and all that kind of stuff switched on, because these are really temperamental to learn to mix on. So I've done that as well, so I could get some practice on this, I could get all the playlists working, and yeah, and also use it alongside this thing here. So my main goal now is to get a little, I've got a little sampler pad somewhere which I can use to do all this kind of stuff with, and yeah, that's the plan, guys. So just keeping you updated on my little tech business. I'm off to the gym now. Speak soon, take care, God bless, peace.